What's up, guys? It's your boy Vic, and I'm back with another video. Today we are just cleaning out the shop. My crew cab is at the HP house. Shout out to my boy, he's getting it right. I'm not gonna say what we're getting done. We did get the gears and posse done. We did 410 gears and a locker and a posse. Shout out to Mad Differential. Right now, like I said, we're cleaning the shop, and these idiots are trying to take out the throttle body. It's 4 bolts or 3. I think these.
4. Yeah. There's one too.
Nah, we.
Yeah.
This was those.
Pull it then. Pull it.
How the fuck I'm gonna pull it?
Pues quítalo, pull
Quita esta madre, güey.
That's what I'm saying. That's what we're trying to do.
No mames.
Get the size, bro. I don't know how we're taking this shit.
Ahí están los pinches tools, no miras, güey.
You don't have to fucking right now.
Cállese la verga. Pero the point of this video, guys, I did buy some new projects. I do have them listed for sale, and this is the one I picked up today. We're gonna do some cinematics of it right now. I have it for sale for 4,200 bucks. Clean title V6. Really, all it needs is some body work. That's the projects I bought a couple days ago. I listed it for sale. Shout out to everybody who hit me up. I had a lot of people on, excuse me, on Facebook. They're like, bro, I love your videos. How much would you sell it for? And bro, y'all fruity. But the giveaway, guys, remember, y'all sleeping on it. People tell me, are you gonna fix the seats? Are you gonna do the headliner? I will, I promise. But you have to enter first. People are sleeping on it. Right now it's dirty, collecting dust. I will take it out to get some like some content of it. I am gonna swap out the oil pump. Badass truck, guys. You probably can't see it right now because it's a little dark. But the goal is to do the same seats, just a different like style, and the suede headliner. 75 bucks to enter. Send me a message on Instagram, Zelle, Cash App. And right now, I'm gonna pull the trucks in. We're gonna park them inside, clean up a little bit, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we got. So guys, that is the throttle body I had on my old setup. 454 Chewy. Right now it's just really dirty because I fucked up my motor and all that shit, so you can see it's all fucking dirty and stuff. Yeah, that's the old setup. But the whole look brand new.
Hell yeah. All this shit and it look brand new.
Yeah, it's just been because all the oil and shit. 454 Chewy, I'll make sure to get out.
Hey, hold it open.
I rep them on my trucks at 454 Chewy. He can port your throttle bodies. Let's show him.
Bro, don't fuck. Oh, shit, my fault.
Nigga said my fault.
That's what? Oh, this nigga nasty as fuck, bro. This nigga spit the fuck out of my
Why the fuck you spitting? Alright, guys. This video is sponsored by Red Bull. And
bro, they're gonna see that shit. They're gonna sue you, bro.
what? Nah, I'm just playing. I don't like Red Bull. But right now it's just a little dirty, but looks brand new. A little degreasy. 454 Chewy. Límpialo, güey. Alright, guys, this is the keys are right there. Pues, I don't know. Put it a la verga. Go. We gotta fix the starter on it. I'll probably just get a new starter tomorrow. Prendelo, güey. Ahí va. Turn it. Right there. Bring it in. So guys, we gotta fix the starter. I'll probably get one tomorrow from AutoZone. Órale, wait. Why are you reversing? What do you feel about those headlights? Hey, ¿por qué lo pisas, güey? Calmado. What y'all think about these headlights? I like them, but it's just, I don't know. Derecho. Go! Dale. 2001 clean title vehicle. 4,300 bucks. Good project, runs and drives great. I drove it like 2 hours home. This dude does not know how to fucking... Yeah, next to my OBS. Next to my OBS. Ahí va. Go. Don't hit the tractor. Sounds pretty good for a V6. Dale, dale, dale. All right, right now he's gonna park it, guys. Let's do some cinematics.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Tell him, bro, what you doing? You about to hit it. You almost let him hit my stand, cut. Almost. Págalo, la verga.
Guys, come some closer, or could you know?
I just noticed that.
That's what I'm saying. How the fuck you just noticed?
It's all red. That's nice.
Yeah, that's right.
The guy said he swapped the motor, but I don't believe it. I say it got 204. Yeah, guys, pretty nice. I'm gonna post it on Facebook. Now we're gonna bring in the V8 that y'all sleeping on. I got it for sale. So guys, the only thing I don't like about this truck, it had electric windows factory, but the dude, he like moved it right here. So it's like faulty. So look, I'll bring it down. It's so fucking slow when he could have just left it factory. There's a V8 like I showed you already. 5.3 headers. 7300 guys, hit me up. Or if I don't sell it, I'll build it with a badass paint job. And that's about it. Págalo. Págalo. Ahí déjalo, está bien. There it goes, guys. Now we're gonna bring in the giveaway.
Spider-Man, the way I be swinging on these bitches.
All right, spray over there, spray over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, ahorita, dale, dale, dale.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, no. I think my big told me to do it.
Hey, for the vlog, for the vlog, for the vlog, for the vlog, for the vlog. Remember, guys, you can win this truck. 75 bucks to enter, 0 cash app. Y'all are sleeping on it. Págalo, let me speak. Turn it off. Send me a message on Instagram. 75 bucks to enter. And badass interior. Stock interior is perfect. What are you talking about? Huh? Spray him again, boy. Por mamón.
Nigga, I swear to God, it's gonna spray you.
Remember, guys, we did the exhaust on it.
Damn, bro.
Shut up. ¿Cómo chingas, güey? ¿Cómo chingas, güey? I'm trying to do a co-star video. Préndelo. Hey, wait. You just kicked the giveaway.
No.
Préndelo, la verga.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Dale, dale. It's the chrome one. Little co-star, guys. Straight pipe, carving, dual exit. Badass truck, y'all sleeping on it, guys. Send me a message on Instagram, $75 to enter. Zelle or Cash App, guys. I have about 100 spots to fill. I'm adding spots since I gotta do the seats in the headliner. Dude, don't know how to fucking drive, bro. Hey, wait, no sabes manejar, güey. Oh, you Hey. I'm just fucking with you. Not, bro. I told you. Why the fuck you going forward? You had to go reverse right here. Reverse forward. Hey, go forward. Go. Go, bro. Oh my God, bro. Go, 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 go. There. God damn it. Now chill out. You about to hit the... Hey, chill. Bro, this dude can't drive for shit. My bad, guys. If the giveaway gets damaged, you already know why. But just check out this exhaust. Oh my God.